Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda Audish with Audish Designs, and today I'm going to be taking you through the journey of how I spice things up in my kitchen. So if you're like myself and you are renting a property and you're looking to spice things up a little bit in your kitchen as well, then this is going to be the perfect video for you because all of the materials that I use are rental friendly, which means that you can remove them in order to obtain your full deposit back. So if you're interested in doing the same thing, stay tuned. I'm actually going to be posting all of the materials that I use down below so you can follow along with me. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns for myself, and I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. As you can see, the kitchen was very dated. It was very tan and brown, and it definitely reflected the 1980s vibe when the house was actually built. We didn't have a backsplash. Everything was very plain and simple. The appliances were very old and dated, so quite honestly, it just needed a facelift. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove all of the decorations. We're also going to clean the surface where we're going to apply our materials, and we are going to go ahead and gather all the tools and materials that we need to complete this project. So these are the materials that I use for this project. I have the contact paper, X-Acto knives. I ordered a pack of them. I also ordered a kit for wallpaper. So it came with these smoothing tools that you see here. This is very helpful to make sure that you don't have bubbles when you're applying the contact paper on your cabinets. This red one also came in that same kit. I'm going to be posting this down below so you guys can utilize these items as well. You're also going to utilize a scissor and of course your tic-tac tiles that you're going to apply to the backsplash. I began by applying the contact paper to the cabinet doors. It was very simple, guys, with the tools that I purchased. However, it is very time consuming, so be prepared for that. It did take me 3 days to complete this. This is how the cabinet doors turned out. So after I finished all of them, I went back and reattached them. And of course, I went ahead and applied my tic-tac tiles to the backsplash. Let's go ahead and revisit the old kitchen. So remember, guys, this is what it looked like previously. And here's the final product. I also went ahead and added some lighting under the cabinets to give it a more modern look. So if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Thanks for watching.